All right, so hi everyone. So if you have your vehicle and you've been driving it for a while and you've read your manual, kudos to you guys. If you haven't as yet, like myself, and you're still exploring your vehicle, then probably this is something that you need to know. So I went into the gas station a while ago. I was trying to get some gas, but I had to go inside. So when I came back out, I was opening the fuel cap door, and I realized that it wouldn't open. Usually you'll press down, or I'll press down on the door itself of the fuel cap, and usually it will just kind of pop open. This time it wouldn't. I was there for probably like about 5 minutes, and then I was starting to like panic. So I went in the car to get my phone because I was going to try to find out from someone how to go ahead and open this tank. Only to realize when I got back to the vehicle, the side of the vehicle at the tank, I realized that the fuel cap door was already popped open. So I went onto YouTube and realized that YouTube University tells me that whenever you're having this issue, just go ahead and unlock your car and usually it will pop open. I don't know if it is something that is specific only to, my model car. It's a Volkswagen. I don't know if it's something that is specific to it or to all, vehicles like that where you have to press on the fuel cap door to get it open. But it's just a little bit of an educational tip here for you guys who are driving and not so sure. And if you run into the situation, at least you'll have an idea of what to do at that time. All right, thank you so much for listening, and please remember to subscribe to the channel for more. All right, bye.